Reimagining workspace designs, a bold statement inspired by nature. Aki Hamada Architects, AHA, has unveiled their latest project, a stunning new headquarters situated in the picturesque Fujikawa Town of Yamanashi Prefecture. This innovative building serves not only as a workspace, but also as a modern architectural tribute to the majestic Mount Oboshi. Nestled on terraced land that offers breathtaking views of the Fuji River and the iconic Mount Fuji in the distance. This site holds personal significance for the client, whose business focuses on recycling. Instead of leveling the natural terrain, the design embraces the traditional Kake-zukuri architectural style, featuring a timber-based construction methodology that harmonizes with the surrounding landscape. The controversial use of modern techniques within tradition. But here's where it gets controversial. While the design honors historical techniques, it boldly incorporates a voxel-based structural system that has been created specifically for this project. In a departure from the standard Nuki joinery, often found in post and beam construction, AHA has opted for advanced metal jointing methods, allowing the construction of a three-dimensional lattice composed of bundled timber beams and columns. This voxel system draws inspiration from computational modeling units, which provides the flexibility for potential future expansions of the building as needs evolve. Grounded in tradition, elevated by innovation, the creative team at Aki Hamada Architects has effectively applied a three-dimensional grid system that responds dynamically to the site's changing height, extending the principles of Kake-zukuri throughout both the foundation and superstructure. This innovative approach involves grouping 4 timbers measuring 120 millimeters on each side to form robust, bundled columns and beams. The adaptability of this framework enables it to accommodate varying spans and load requirements. By utilizing advanced pre-cutting techniques, the project ensures precise finishes and connections, simplifying the complexities of on-site assembly. A nod to the meticulous detailing found in the reinforced concrete buildings from Japan's post-war era. Additionally, this modular system adeptly weaves practical elements directly into the structure. Rather than treating wall panels, equipment, and window frames as distinct components, they are integrated seamlessly into the timber framework, culminating in a design that balances rationality with expressiveness. This creates a unique architectural language that revels in the inherent qualities of timber while echoing the rhythmic visual patterns associated with modernist design. A groundbreaking connection with local materials. At the core of the Mount Oboshi Workspace's architecture lies a striking use of locally sourced materials. The panels have been crafted from a blend of native soil and grass, fitting snugly within the lattice to reinforce the building's intrinsic connection to its environment. Adorning the western facade, fixed windows allow natural light to pour in, while the generous cantilevered eaves frame fantastic vistas of the valley, highlighting the presence of Mount Fuji. As you enter, the ground floor unfolds into a welcoming terrace that extends a corridor beneath the lattice canopy. Featuring lofty ceilings and expansive eaves, this covered area functions as a modern interpretation of an engoa, a semi-outdoor transition space that bridges the indoors with the natural world outside. It provides a warm invitation for guests, regardless of weather conditions, harmoniously connecting the exterior landscapes with the functional workspace that lies just beyond. The enriching internal experience of space. Inside, visitors are greeted by an immersive spatial experience shaped by the repetitive rhythm of the timber grid. The intersecting structural axes create a play of varying degrees of enclosure, openness, and depth throughout the interior. On the first floor, both employees and guests benefit from an open layout, complete with a lobby and a kitchen area designed to foster informal gatherings and interactions. Central to the vertical flow of the building is an elliptical spiral staircase crafted from steel. This stylish feature has been thoughtfully dimensioned to meet delivery needs while aligning with the overall floor plan. Suspended within the lattice structure, it elicits an illusion that the heavy timber frame is floating, a hybrid effect that showcases the compelling synergy between steel and wood. As nighttime falls, the wooden framework takes on a gentle glow, enhanced by a light tower positioned alongside the building, which beautifully accents the overall silhouette of this groundbreaking design. What do you think? The design of this headquarters not only challenges conventional architectural norms through its modern adaptations of traditional styles, but also raises questions about how we can better align new buildings with their natural surroundings. Could this represent a fundamental shift in how we approach architecture as a whole? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Is this innovative integration of materials and design principles the future of architecture, or does it stray too far from traditional methods? Share your opinions in the comments.